Everybody's searching for a flawless property management team. But how do you build one? The key to a top-notch property management team starts with hiring qualified personnel. Look for individuals with experience in property management, customer service, and maintenance. Strong communication and problem-solving skills are a must. Once you've hired the right people, develop an initial training program. Cover property policies, tenant communication protocols, and basic maintenance. This ensures new hires are well prepared. Next, focus on customer service skills. Train your staff in active listening, clear communication, and patience. These skills are crucial for positive tenant interactions. Empower your team by giving managers decision-making authority. Allow them to resolve tenant concerns promptly within defined guidelines. Equip your staff with strategies for effective issue resolution and emergency response preparedness. Finally, commit to ongoing training and professional development. Regularly reinforce customer service principles and conflict resolution skills. Encourage your team to attend industry workshops and conferences to stay up to date. With these strategies, you'll build a responsive property management team that tenants trust and respect. Ready to get started?